Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to invite someone to your Trello board. First of all, you need the Trello board. So I just created one for myself. But if you don't know how to create a Trello board, you can click on create a new board and you can like name it and you can do that. But let's talk about the member invite thing. So this is my Trello board. I created this for my business cards business. It's not a real business, but yeah. On the left side, you're going to see boards, members, workspace settings, and then you're going to click on members. After you click on members, there's going to be an email place where you can invite people easily. So let's say that you want to invite your friend and your friend doesn't have an actual email, like he doesn't receive it. Everybody has an email, but this is just a hypothetical situation. You can click on create a link and then you can disable the link if you wanna use it for once. So you can disable it, but I'm gonna create a link and then I can easily share this link with people. So I'm gonna click on copy link. It's been copied. And as you guys can see that the link is here. If you want, you can join, it's fine. But yeah, so you can click on here and it will join the thing for you. So that's really easy, guys. So that's how you invite people. And also that, let's say that you have a friend who has an email address and he wants to receive it by email, which is also the safest thing that you can do. You can, let's say, so here's one of my emails. You can like easily invite these kind of people. You can like invite it and then you can say join this Trello if you are interested in becoming affiliate product testers. So you can always do things like that and then you can click on send invites. However, this is my thing, so I'm just going to use a different email. So I just send myself an email so I can send the invites. And see, as you guys can see on the left column, member was invited at technicolorcollege.com. And that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're uploading videos every single day. So please subscribe and see you guys in the next video.